that pistol grip New York video game rolling. I got that pistol grip New York video game rolling. Audio. Oh, pistol grip 127 New York video game. Let's ride. Well, I tell you what, I got a Tennessee, and I got another station, but I didn't make a number. The old pistol around Snow Blizzard, New York, trying to warm that antenna. Old pistol around Snow Blizzard, New York, back quiet. Hey, 312 at 440 Carolina. Old pistol, New York video gate. Audio. Old pistol around New York, that video gate rocking on. Well, I tell you what, man, we got a full-blown blizzard around New York. I got that New York video rolling. I got that New York video rolling with an ice-cold antenna. Pistol grip 127 on YouTube. Pistol grip 127 on YouTube, and I'm stepping back. Hey, 201 North Alabama. You all up on my New York video gate. Hey, 201 Alabama. Audio. Hey, 201 old pistol grip New York video gate rocking on. Walk by Kentucky. Oh, I gotta go. Alabama, 461, Carolina waves of Alabama freight. Sounding good over there, 461. Sounding real good, 461. Over here around Decatur, Alabama, up North Alabama, 201. Hey, 201, you cleaned out my New York video gate. Audio. Hey, yo, 201, you cleaned out my New York video gate. Old pistol grip 127 on YouTube. Old pistol grip 127 on YouTube. Back quiet. Well, I'll tell you what, I got a train wreck at that time. Audio. I got a whole train wreck at that time. Old pistol grip 127 New York video gate. Pistol grip 127 New York video gate. I'm standing by. TV. Got a copy
little traffic stop last night. Come on. Yeah, well, I put a fan. I got my window up just a little bit too, so little team. No. I got old two-pill, boy. I think that'll skin too. Well, my
I don't know. I think you said 455 out of Kentucky. Audio. I think you said somewhere right out of Kentucky. Old Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Gate. Old Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Gate. I'm stepping back. I tell you what, it's coming from all over the world. I said it's coming all over the place right now. Oh, New York is in a massive blizzard. We got a road locked down, vehicle ban, audio, and old Mother Nature wants to open up my sky. Old Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Gate. Your hole in the wall, New York CB shop.
North Carolina's trying. I don't guess this old bastard got some phone calls to get down tonight. We out on the side 201, so that making down.
Hey, 201, you making it all the way to Brooklyn, New York. Hey, 201, you making it all the way to Brooklyn, New York. Audio. Hey, 201, you blowing it up around Brooklyn, New York, old Pistol Clear. I don't know, what car was it around Tennessee? I said I heard somebody out here said a diesel car around Tennessee. Well, you blowing smoke around my New York Video Gate. Old Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube, down and out.
Yeah, that's what you sound good.
Roger on the Smoky Hills. Audio. I'm trying to get that antenna all warm. Seems like my antenna might be a little cold. Audio check. Old Pistol Grip 127 New York City. And I'm rocking on. Well, I'll tell you what, I got Carolina, I got Arkansas, I got somebody saying, oh, Pistol, you can't hear me up there? I didn't get that number though, man. But I got the video game rolling, and I can't answer everybody, but, yeah, I got like 5 or 6 of y'all up on my New York Video Gate. Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. I hear quite a few y'all. Oh, Pistol, back wide.
Pistol 127. You making too much racket. You say 80 Pistol Whip 804 North Carolina 333.
Alright, I was able to pull 804 out of that. The only number I was able to make out of that train wreck was 804. But I'm going to tell you what, man. There's quite a few of you guys up in there, and y'all seesawing back and forth in and out before I get that number. So y'all really want to check out the Pistol Grip 127 Video Gate. I think this is Blizzard number 6 or 7. I think this is Blizzard City number 6 or 7. Oh, Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. New York, Blizzard City, gotta go.
Pistol 30, Pistol 30,
30. Audio. Hey, 30, all up in there, I gotta go. Well, 30, when you hear the video gate, I know there's a lot of guys out there calling me, man, but when they hear the video gate too, they're going to hear themselves, man, and they're going to hear that I didn't pull out no numbers. I'm getting bits and pieces, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, It's a kaleidoscope and a train wreck. So I'm gonna sit back and let the New York Video Gate do what it's supposed to do. Oh, pistol around New York, I'm back quiet. I don't know, that was a hell of a playback, man. That was a hell of a playback, man. I heard that Watergate. I heard a piece of that Watergate. Old pistol around New York. Old pistol around New York. Me and this New York Video Gate and this $9 stock mic is back quiet.
Pistol 804 to Carolinas. Look here, right here, right here. Hello, man. I heard that Watergate. I heard a piece of that Watergate. Old pistol around New York. Old pistol around New York. Me and this New York Video Gate and this $9 stock mic is back quiet.
Hey, 804. Hey, 804, you're going to like this Video Gate. 804, that was about 11 minutes in. 804, I'm going to kill this Video Gate and start another one. Oh, pistol rip, 127. Blizzard City number 6, I think I got to go.